Today's class we will discuss on MAP. What is MAP? It's a moving average price. Moving average price. Where did you see this moving average price in the previous classes? MAP, moving average price. Any idea?
In materials management, purchasing, accounting view.
In the material master accounting view. What is the meaning of moving average price? What is the meaning of moving average price? For which materials you will maintain the moving average price in the material master? You have created a lot of times, lot of materials you created, guys. In accounting view, which indicator you selected? Price indicator. You have two indicators, right? What are the two? S and V. What is S, guys? S means standard price. Standard price. What is V means? Moving average price. Moving average price. So when you will select S and when you will select V, for which materials you select S and for which materials you select V? The materials where price fluctuate happens. For those materials we used to maintain price indicator as moving average price. Moving average price. Generally for all raw materials which where you procure from vendor, it will be having MAP, moving average price indicator as V. For all materials where you do sales, finished goods and all, will maintain some standard price. Okay, that is a fixed price will maintain. Okay, but moving average price always it will fluctuate. Every weekly, every month it will fluctuate the prices. For all those materials will maintain as price indicator as V, moving average price. Okay, now I'll ask you one thing. Okay, in material master, you are maintaining accounting view price. Accounting view, you are maintaining the price as moving average price. Okay, now when you create a PO, from where the price will take, guys? When you create a PR, okay, when you create a PR, price will take from the price from PR. When you create a PO for the respective PR, price will take from PIR. Price from PIR. Now, once you do GR, okay, leave about GR. Now, how do you think that price in the material master will change? Do you need to change manually or automatically it will change? Where is the relation between the prices? Material master price you are giving one thing. Okay, when you create PR, it is taken from the material master. But when you create a PO, system is taking from the PIR. What is the use of maintaining the price in material master? What is the use of maintaining price in material master? Any idea? Any idea, guys? In this case, PO will take price from the PIR only. PO will take price from PIR only. But for the respective PO, once you do GR, for the respective PO, once you do the GR, goods received, automatically material master price will change. Material master price will change to average price. It will be average price for the respective material. Getting the point? It will be average price. Now, if someone asks you relation between the material master, PR and PO and GR, what you will tell, guys? They will ask you how the price will change in the material master once you do GR. You should tell like once you create a PR, price will take from the material master only. That is right. But once you create a PO, system will take price from the PIR, purchase information record. But once you do GR for the respective PO, system automatically updates the material master price to average price. Okay, that is the way where system SAP we can see always average price for the respective material. It will be always updated. It is the point. Now let's see practically. MM01 I am creating a material. Accounting we are maintaining price as V, moving average price. I am giving 10. Okay, and save it. Material got created 50066,280. Okay, I'm creating a PR now. See, PR has been created. Once I created a PR, in the PR, if you see the valuation price, system will take from the material master. If you go to the PR valuation, system will take price from the PIR one, material master only. Okay, PR always material master. You know already this thing. Okay, for now for this PR, I'm going to create a PO. Now there is no PIR. Okay, I didn't create any PIR, but system will not take any prices. System will never go for material master. Enter. To enter manually the price everything. Enter the net price. Just think vendor gave quotation to me for as a 15 euro per one piece. In the metal master I maintain 10. Okay, metal master I maintain some around 10 I maintain. Now I am maintaining as 15 in the PO. Now save the PO. Now do GR for the respective PO. Go to slash and my go. I am doing GR. Item okay. Check and post it. Check and post it. Document has been created. Okay. Now go and check the material master price, guys. Now go and check the material master price. Go to the material master and check the price for the material. Is the material number okay? Enter. Go to accounting view. Can you see, guys, what is the price here? What is the price here? 15. 15. How this price will change? How the price will change? There is a formula, guys. MAP is equal to previous MAP into previous stock plus current PO price per unit. Current PO price per unit into PO quantity. PO quantity divided by previous quantity. Previous quantity, how much is there for the material, plus current GR quantity. Current GR quantity is equal to moving average price. Okay. Now, what is the previous MAP stock guys as per our? What is the previous MAP stock? 0. We don't have any stock. It's a numerator. 0, right? Previous MAP stock was 0. Okay. And this will be is equal to 0 only. Plus current PO price. What is the current PO price? 10. Sorry, 15. 15 into PO quantity. PO quantity is 10 quantity. Is equal to how much guys? 150. 150 divided by previous quantity plus GR quantity. Previous quantity plus GR quantity. What is the previous quantity? 0. Plus current GR quantity is 10. How much it will be? 15. How much is the price here? 15. Got it? And you can also divide total value by total stock also. You get the right value. Total stock value by total value. Total stock by total value. You will get the moving average price. Got it? Any confusion guys? Small concept. Any doubts? If someone asks you how the moving average price will change, how it will change? Based on the GR price and quantity, this will change. If someone asks you deeply, how I want to know how it will change, tell the formula. It will change by this formula. Previous moving average price into previous stock plus current quantity into current price divided by previous stock plus current stock is equal to moving average price. Or else you can just tell total value by total stock is equal to current moving average price. Okay guys. This is about the moving average price. Small concept. Now we will discuss on one of the major concept now, that is called physical inventory. Physical inventory. What is physical inventory guys? What is physical inventory? By seeing the naming convention only you should understand 50%. Physical inventory. Read from right to left. Inventory physical means what? Physically how much inventory is there? Physically how much inventory is there? What we are doing guys? We are cross checking the system stock with respect to the warehouse stock. We are cross checking the system stock with respect to warehouse stock. Okay. I will tell you one of the live example guys which I faced. Okay. See, I bought a TV a year back. Okay. But when I ordered a TV from Samsung, what happened? First time when I order, I got to know that okay, my order got placed and I got the order confirmation also from the Samsung. Okay, but that was not delivered. After a week, I got a message that due to no stock in the warehouse, we are not going to supply the product to your home. Okay, there is no stock left. There is no stock left. Okay, and again after 1 week I ordered one more TV, same TV I ordered, so it is showing stock for me in the website. It is showing stock for me, but when I order I am getting order confirmation also, because it is a automatic. But again after 1 week I got again the cancellation order that stock was not there in the warehouse. But when I check the system, stock, okay, I have my own system is there, SAP system is there, so I check the stock of Samsung for the respective material and all. What happened? I got to know that this much of stock is there in the inventory. Okay, I have access to all those things to check stock is there. But when I order in the employee website, system is showing me the stock is not available after 1 week. Now what is the issue, guys, here? What is the reason system he sent an email that cancellation order? What is the reason behind that? Why system sent the cancellation order to me? When I check the system, SAP system is showing the stock for the respective material. System is showing the stock for me, but when I order, I am getting the cancellation. What might be the reason? Even you may face the situations here also, right? Somewhere outside.
So means there'll be no stock in warehouse. Physical stock there'll be not there.
There is no stock in the warehouse, but system is showing me stock. The system, SAP system, it is showing me stock. It's wrong, right?
Yeah.
There is something happened in the warehouse. Maybe they moved to scrap, but they forgot to update in the system. Maybe they have done the sales, they forgot to update in the system. Warehouse, right? It's physically they are doing all the works. Sometimes the power loss will be there, sometimes system issue will be there. Or they will think, okay, I can do tomorrow. Just they will think like that and they will leave for today. But if they forgot to do that entirely, what will happen? System will show the stock that only, but in the warehouse there is no stock. Now exactly what will happen? When I order a TV, what will happen? System will check the stock in SAP only directly. When I order from Samsung website, system will pass the order to SAP. With respect to the material number, system will pass the order to SAP, and SAP will check automatically for the respective material in MMBE stock is there or not. Stock is available or not. If stock is available, what system will do? System will send the order confirmation automatically. Your order has been confirmed. Your order has been confirmed. System will send the order confirmation to me. Within a second, I will get the order confirmation, where system will check the stock in the inventory management. Now, once I get the order confirmation, within a day or 2 days, what will happen? The respective, the warehouse person, okay, based on the order confirmation, he will go and he will check the respective bins. Okay, he will go to the respective TV storage location and all. He will go and he will see the respective model TV is not there. When he's checking manually to pick that to deliver to me, you need to pick first of all on the warehouse. When he is trying to pick, okay, there is no product in the warehouse. What happened? There is no stock only. There is no stock only. What he will do? He will come to his cabin, and what he will do with respect to this order confirmation number, he will do what he will do? He will send the cancellation that there is no stock. And again, what he will do? He will raise a request that inventory calculation mistakes was there. Inventory issue was there. He will raise a ticket that some inventory issue is there. Inventory count issues are there. Inventory count issues are there. Once he raises a request, what will happen? Once he raises inventory issues are there, what will happen? It will come to me. The request will come to me again. The request will come to me. Okay, that there is issue with the inventory count and all. What I will do, I will this inventory whenever you want, you cannot do these things. Okay, but in emergency cases like electronic sports and all, we can do. But based on the approval from the management only, we should do this inventory. This concept is called physical inventory. When you approve that we are going to do the physical inventory checks for this one, okay, once they approve the management, we are going to do this physical inventory. What we are going to do? We are activating, we are starting physical checks. We are starting physical inventory checks. Physical inventory checks, okay, in SAP. I am going to create a physical inventory for the respective material in MI01. With respect to that material, I am going to create a physical inventory check. Okay, once I create a physical inventory check, I am going to send a copy. Send a physical inventory copy to respect to warehouse person. I'm going to take a print of the physical inventory. Send a copy means take a print of physical inventory and send it to the respective warehouse person that I want you to check the stock manually and give me the count. Check the stock physically and give me the count for the respective material. I'm requesting him. Okay, what he will do? He will take that printout and he will go to the respective store location. He will check the stock, how much stock is there. He will make a count. If it is 0, what he will do? He will mark a 0 and what he will do? He will scan that copy and he will send back to me. He will send back to me. And what are the count he mentioned? What are the count he mentioned? Okay, I am going to enter that count in my SAP system with respect to one document number. Once you create a physical entry document, one document will be created automatically. With respect to this document number, I am going to enter that. I am going to enter a count in MI04. MI04, I am going to enter a count. Okay, this is the count I received from the warehouse person. Once I enter a count with respect to that material, what system will do? System will see differences. What differences? SAP stock versus SAP stock versus physical stock. Physical stock. Now system will calculate differences. How much difference is there? How much difference is there? It will show in a MI07. It will show differences and we can post the differences here. We can post the differences. System will automatically updates to warehouse stock. System will update to now 0 stock now. MMB stock will come to 0 stock. Okay. Now understand the scenario, guys. Now what is the physical inventory? Did you got it? Any company if you go where they are using SAP or non-SAP, physical inventory, this concept is same, guys. Physical inventory concept will be same. Any doubts before going to practical? Let me take this material only, guys. Let me take this material only. I am going to /o mi01. I am going to create a physical inventory. Okay, keep today's date. Okay, keep the plant, store location. Okay, enter, guys. And before entering, we have two options here: posting block and freezing block. What is posting block and what is freezing block? Very important, guys. Posting block and freezing block. What is posting block? Here I am doing physical inventory checks, guys. MI01, I am creating physical inventory. Mostly it will be on weekends only. Sometimes it will be on weekdays. When I am entering physical inventory check, when I am doing physical inventory checks, okay, in your home only, guys, just think in your home only, you are counting some eggs or something in the refrigerator. Okay, you're counting some eggs which are placed in the respective cabins. Okay, when you are entering count and all, somebody came to your home and is inputting some eggs in that. What will happen to your count, guys? Your count will mismatch, right? The same way, when you are doing physical inventory, okay, if someone receives the same material to the plant, okay, you are entering count. Maybe you'll count half of the materials now. After 1 hour, you'll come again, you'll count remaining of because inventory stock will be more. Okay, you counted for half of the midday and you went for a break. And someone received the goods and did GR and he placed the goods in the respective bin. Now what will happen, guys? the stock will get increased in the warehouse. The stock will get increased in the warehouse. Okay, but when I send a document to him, when I send a physical inventory document to respective warehouse person, the stock is this much. Observe the system stock is this much, but now stock got increased in the warehouse. There's a lot of mismatch will happen. A lot of mismatch will happen. That is the reason what we will do. We will make a posting block. Posting block means what? No one can do GR for the respective material. For this respective material, if I am doing physical inventory, no one can receive the stock to the plant. System will throw error to them. There is a posting block for the respective material. You cannot receive any goods, these goods. The vendor should wait for one more day there only. They cannot receive the goods. That is called posting block. One more option is there, that is called freeze book inventory. What is freeze book inventory, guys? System will allow you to do GR, but it will freeze the count. It will freeze the count. Means what? If you receive today 10 quantity, the 10 quantity will be in freeze position, guys. The 10 quantity will be not added to physical inventory. Once the physical inventory document is created and it get closed, then only stock will get added to MMBE stock. Stock will be freezed. Stock will be freezed. That is the meaning of freeze book inventory. You understood, guys? Posting block on freeze book inventory. Any doubts? Okay. Now just click on enter, guys. IB 220. Okay, I am entering a material number here. Which material I am doing physical inventory? I am entering the material number here. Enter the material number. Just click on enter, guys. Just don't do anything. Okay, save it. If you have 10 materials, enter all the 10 materials. Okay, now I am doing physical inventory for only for single material. One, if you see, once you click on save, physical inventory document got created, guys. This is the document reference number for this material, guys. Always remember the material document number. Okay, or else make a note and send an email this document number. Okay, this is the document number. I am going to take a printout. I am going to take a printout in MI21. Can you see MI21? I am going to take a print of this physical inventory document because I need to send this print to the respective warehouse person. I am going to MI21 and I am asking him to, I am taking a print now. Can you see? This is the print copy, guys. This is the print copy. Can you see here? If you can see the material number, can you see? Material number, you Now I'm going to take a print of this physical inventory. MI21, I'm going to take a print of this physical inventory, and once I take a print, what I'm doing, I'm sending this print copy to the warehouse person. This copy I'm sending to the warehouse person. Okay. Once I send this print copy to the warehouse person, they will see which material you will see, and here one field was there here. You need to enter the count here, 100, 200, 300, whatever the count is there in the physical warehouse, you need to enter the count here. And you should take a scan copy and you need to send back to me. Okay. This is the physical stock which is there in the warehouse. Once I receive the stock, once I receive this copy back to me, what I will do? I need to enter the count in MI04. In MI04, I need to enter the count here. With respect to this material document number, I need to enter the count here. Okay. And you can say variance in percentage. Means what? If we have some variance, physical warehouse stock is some 10 liters. Take liquid, mostly variance will be in the liquid materials only. Okay. If we have 10 liters in warehouse, system 10.5 liters in the warehouse, 10.5 in the warehouse, but in the system SAP system is showing only 10 liters. Okay, means 0.50 liters is the variance. Like that, you can give a variance for the liquid materials. Okay, now enter the document number, physical year, and enter the count. What is the count you received from the respective warehouse person? Enter the count. I am giving count of 20 guys here. 20 is the count I received from the warehouse. 20 count I received. Okay. Now save it. Save it. Now count I received and I saved it. Now if I go to MI07 to post the differences, what system is showing guys? System is showing me a difference quantity is 10 quantity. Difference quantity is 10 quantity. And because why it is showing difference quantity is 10 quantity? So if you go to /o MMBE for the respective material, the stock will be only 10 quantity. The stock will be only 10 quantity. Can you see? The stock is going only 10 quantity. But when I enter a count from the warehouse person, I entered a count how much guys? 20 quantity entered a count. 20 quantity entered a count, right? I entered a count of 20 quantity. Can you see? 20 quantity entered a count. If I see 25 quantity, if I enter a count. 25 quantity, I'm entering count. I'm changing the quantity to 25 quantity in MI05. Okay. Now if I go to MI07, system will show the differences as 15 quantity because system stock MMB stock showing only 10 quantity, but you entered how much quantity? 25 quantity is there. Now what system will do? System is calculating differences. System stock with respect to warehouse stock. How much difference is there? 10, 25. 15 quantity is the difference between the system stock and the warehouse stock. System stock and the warehouse stock. Now go to MI05 again. Now see 25 quantity is there. I am entering only 5 quantity here. Warehouse stock is only 5 quantity. Warehouse stock is only 5 quantity. Now go to MI07. How much is there guys here now? Minus 5 is there here. Minus 5. What is minus 5 guys? What is minus 5? Guys, am I audible to you?
Yes, Ram.
What is minus 5 here? Why it is showing minus 5?
That is difference quantity addition.
Tell me practically. Warehouse stock only 5 quantity. System stock is 10 quantity. 5 quantity less than the warehouse it is showing. In warehouse, 5 quantity is less. Always less means minus. Less than the system stock, less than the SAP stock is showing minus. If it is more than SAP stock, it will show plus. Difference will be plus. Now if I go to MI07, sorry, just click on enter. You can enter reason also. Why the difference is there, you can enter the reason also. Poor quality. Poor quality, you done the scrapping something, you can tell. And enter. This is the reason. Save it. Now, document has been posted with respect to this document, guys. Okay, physical document got posted. Now, what will happen? Stock got decreased in the MMBE. Stock has been decreased in MMBE. Why it is decreased, guys?
There we mentioned 5 quantity as scrap.
There we mentioned 5 quantity. Means what? Minus 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 only, right? Like that. But the point, it's already done. That is the way we should do the physical inventory. Suppose if we want to do physical inventory for all the materials in one plant, guys, generally this physical inventory is done on yearly once. Okay, there are 4 types of physical inventories. One is periodic, cyclic, continuous, and sample inventory. Okay, samples. Periodic means yearly once, guys. Periodic means yearly once you will do for all materials, you will do physical inventory. All materials in one plant, how do you do, guys? MI31. T code is /n MI31 is the T code where we can do physical inventory for all the materials in a single plant. Remove the material number, keep only plant and do the physical inventory starting. I am doing physical inventory for all the materials in the plant. What system will do? System will send physical inventory count for all the materials. Okay. Cyclic. This will be yearly once, guys. This will be yearly once. Okay. Cyclic. What is cyclic, guys? Cyclic means on a quarterly basis. On a quarterly, every 3 months once, what you will do? You will do the physical inventory. Cyclic physical inventory. Continuous. Continuous means on a yearly basis. Every weekend, every single material means what? This week these 5 materials, next week other 5 materials, after next week there will be other 5 materials, like that. Continuous means they will do continuously throughout the year whenever they want. That will be continuous. Sample goods, only sample goods, guys, like heavy cost goods. If the cost of the material is more than 1 lakh, 1 lakh USD, then only they will do the physical inventory checks. For normal materials, they will not do the physical inventory. Only for high cost goods, they will do the physical inventory checks. Like this, we have these 4 types of physical inventories are there. Any doubts, guys? Now ask me in the physical inventory.
Now, in real time, how we may get the scenario? So, about physical inventory.
I told you, na? Real time only I told you. This one.
Meaning, will it be done by consultant only?
No. Any issues means you will come to into picture. You will not do this physical inventory on or any issues means you will come into picture.
Okay, got it.
Okay. You are not able to take a printout. MM printout is not coming. Some issue will come into picture here. Why it is not taking? Difference is not posting currently. They want to have a different accounting key. They want to have a different key to post. If you see easier for display, this is the material document number. Now for this one, what the accounting is being posted? That's very important. Those things are not. You need to observe all these things carefully, guys. I gave you one task for automatic account determination. You should do the accounting entries for all the things. Have you done, guys? That is a very important thing.
Now only
Always you need to.
subcontracting, we got confused on that accounting entries.
I will tell you the subcontracting. No issues.
So after other than that, other whatever examples you gave, those things at least we understood. Only subcontracting is bit confusing because there are 4 accounting entries are written.
I know. There will be 6 accounting entries. Okay.
Correct.
It will be INV guys here. BSX and INV. GB is the offsetting entry. In GB, INV is the accounting modifier it will hit. You need to observe like this carefully. Which accounting it is hitting, all those things. Got the point, guys? Got it? If you don't do the assignment, just do assignment, guys. Because that is very important assignment. Okay. Now done with the physical inventory, guys. Very small topic that also, but important topic. Interview they will ask you. You need to explain the procedure of physical inventory. Now, one more small concept, guys. That is GR blocked stock. GR blocked stock. GR blocked stock. What is GR blocked stock? What is a GR blocked stock? I'll tell you one scenario. Suppose you are working in a plant. You are working in a plant, you are a person who is going to receive the stock from the vendor. Once you receive the stock from the vendor, you are going to receive the stock from the vendor. This is the plant. This is the plant. You are the person going to receive the stock here. If you are receiving the stock, what you ordered? You ordered some okay. You are receiving the stock. What you ordered exactly? You ordered a material. Just think, okay. You ordered some 100 phones. You ordered 100 iPhones. You ordered, okay. Or to all your employees, you ordered some 100 iPhones. You ordered, and for all you ordered only the silver color iPhone. You ordered silver color iPhone. You ordered, okay. But once you receive the material to plant, you received some red color. This is some red color. Every color phone of the color is red color. Now what you will do? Will you receive the material or not? In a plant, along with the solar locations, you will be having one stock type will be there in the solar location, that is called GR blocked stock. GR blocked stock. What will happen exactly here? GR blocked stock means it's like still we didn't take any decision. Still we didn't take any decision. I'll move the stock. I'll move the stock to GR blocked stock. What are the stock I'm receiving? I'll move the stock to GR blocked stock. This stock, whatever the stock is there, I'll move the stock to GR block stock. Okay, means what? I'm going to take a decision on these things. Still, it's not my authority to take a decision on these parts. I am moving the stock to GR block stock. Means what? No one should use this stock. This is a blocked stock. Management is going to take decision on these things. Sir, I received this color. What I should do? If they approve, then you release the GR block stock to your stock. Your stock you can move. If they don't approve, they're telling, oh no, I can't approve. What you will do? You return this product to vendor back. From GR block stock to you return the material to vendor. But if they approve, you'll move to our stock. But up to the time, the stock will be in GR block stock. Got the point? In any case, if you receive extra quantity, suppose guys you ordered for only 100 quantity, by forgot or by mistakes of the box and all, you receive 200 quantity. What you will do? 100 quantity you will move to GR block stock. How many 100 quantity will move to our stock? Remainder quantity is GR block to stock only. What you will do? The decision will be taken care of the management. If they have any requirement, they will accept to receive. If they don't have any requirement, they will send back to the vendor. That is the time where you will store the goods in the GR block to stock. That is the concept of GR block to stock. Okay. Now this material I am taking. I am going to create a PO /O ME21 and I am going to create a PO. Plant is 1000. Give the vendor quantity 10 quantity. Okay. Save the PO, guys. Save the PO. PO has been created. I shared the PO copy to vendor. Vendor has sent the goods to me. Vendor has been sent the goods to me. For this PO, I am doing a GR now. While I am doing GR, what happened? I found that these materials I received more quantity I received. Just think I received somewhat more quantity I received, guys. Okay, or else 5 quantity I received different shape and 5 quantity I received different shape, or else 10 quantity is somewhat different colors. Some scenario you assume 10 quantity to different color I received. What I will do while receiving the goods, okay, 101 is the moment where I will receive the goods to the respective plant storage location. But here, if you see, if I keep 103 here, 103 here, what system will do? Can you see here? Movement type 103. It is a GR into blocked stock. Goods receipt into blocked stock. Means what? We are receiving goods into the blocked stock. Okay. We are receiving the stock to GR blocked stock now. Okay. Item okay. And check and post it just. Check and post it. Material document posted. Now go to MMBE stock, guys. Now go to /n MMBE. What will happen to MMBE for the respective material? It will be GR block stock, or else it will be GR block stock. Means what? We move the stock to GR block stock. Okay. No one can use this material. In case if I want to release the stock to my manager approved, okay, you can use the material, no issue. Color, no issue. You can do. What I will do? I should do movement type of 105 here. So this is the wrong material document I have taken. Wait. Okay. Sorry guys, in physical inventory, I should give one task. I forgot to give you one task. Physical inventory. Let me explain this one. After that, I will give the task. This is the document. What I'm doing, I'm accepting. They are receiving the stock. We're accepting. Yeah. Just set E05 with respect to material document, execute. Now we are releasing the GR blocker stock. Item okay, check and post it. Now stock will be there in the unrestricted use. This is the material, right? 80. Now if you want to remove this also, this stock also, what I will do? This stock also will move. Just wait. Post it. Okay. Something wrong here. That's fine. Okay. Leave it. Yeah. There is the way you need to move to a GR block stock and release the GR block stock. Suppose if you are returning the product to vendor, suppose if you are returning the product to vendor, what you will do? Same go to my go, returns to vendor, return delivery. From GR block stock to vendor stock. GR block stock to vendor, return delivery. Okay. With respect to the same material document, enter. Enter the reason for the moment to return to vendor, check and post it. Now we are returning the material to vendor. Stock will be how much, guys? Stock will be 5 quantity again. If you see the stock, it will be only 5 quantity. 5 quantity. That is the way you should do the GR block stock. Okay. Clear, guys? Any confusion in this concept? GR block stock.
No, Ram, it's clear.
Yeah. Next is returns PO. Returns PO. I'm going to explain the concept of return PO. There are many scenarios will be there. Once you issue the material to your plant or your warehouse, whatever it may be, you will return the stock to vendor because of poor quality, because of damaged goods. There are many reasons will be there where you return the stock to the vendor. It's same like if you receive any kind of damaged product to your home from Amazon, Flipkart and all, you return the product, right? Same way here also return the product to vendor. Okay. Here there are different ways of returning is there. There are different ways of returns to vendor is there. Okay. The moment types will be 122, 124 and 161 moment types. Basically, we will use these 3 moment types to return the material to return the damaged product to the vendor back. Okay. When 122, when 122, 122 is basically with respect to document number. With respect to one document number. Suppose You received the goods now this quantity. 5 quantity you received. But in 5 quantity, 3 quantity got damaged. 3 quantity got damaged and you return the material to vendor. So with respect to this material document, what are the material document you received? Once you do GR, one material document will generate, right? With respect to that material document, you are returning the material to vendor. Okay, then it will be 122 moment type. Okay, 124. 124 is like when you're returning the material to vendor, back to vendor from GR block to stock, the previous scenario from GR block to stock, then it will be 124. GR block to stock to vendor. GR block to stock to vendor, it will be 124. 122 is like with respect to the material document, you are returning the material to returning the product to vendor. 161. 161 is like with respect to new PO, new returns PO. You need to create a new returns PO, and based on that, if you want to return to vendor, then it will be 161 moment type. There are three ways are there: 122, 124, and 161. Okay, you will use generally 122 and 161. You will use this one. You will use very rarely. GR block stock to vendor stock and all. Okay, 122 is like general scenario. ME21N, create a PO, save it. For this PO 19763, for this PO, do the GR, goods receipt slash /omygo, execute. Material document got posted. I received the goods to the plant. Okay, this is the document number 2595. 2595. I received the goods of, this is the PO.
Ram, there is 103 moment type is there, Ram.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, this is the PO. What I am doing, I am receiving the goods. I am receiving the goods to my plant 10 quantity. Okay, just item okay and check and post it. Check and post it. Now I received the goods of 10 quantity. Now I received the goods of 10 quantity I received. We go to purchase history. We can see 10 quantity. 10 quantity I received, guys. For this 10 quantity, 5 quantity got damaged. 5 quantity got damaged in this 10 quantity. What I will do? I am going to send back the 5 quantity, remaining damaged 5 quantity with respect to this material document number. With respect to this material document number, I am going to return the product to vendor 596. Go to return delivery here. With respect to material document, what the material document number? 5 all zeros 2596. 2596 execute. I am going to return the product to vendor where 122 moment type. 122 moment type, guys. Okay. Reason for moment. Item okay. Check and post it. Check and post it. Okay, for all 510 quantity I return the product to vendor. Okay, now go to refresh the PO and see. Go to purchase registry, you can see the returns indicator data. Can you see -10 will be there with respect to 122 moment type. -10 150 quantity, 150 currency, 10 quantity got minused. Got the point? Like this you are going to return the material to vendor. In case when you will do 161 moment type, when you will do 161 moment type, I have the stock in MMB. I have the stock, guys. For this material I have the stock. MMB I have the stock. For all this much of quantity I have validity. Some 5 quantity is there. Okay, 5 quantity. Okay, I don't know which are the material document number. I don't know when this is received only, but I know that this is received from this vendor only. But I don't know with respect to which PO I received, with respect to which PO I received when I received. But I have the stock of 5 quantity. This 5 quantity I can return the product to vendor. I need to return the product to vendor, but I don't know the material document number. What I do, guys? If I don't know the material number, material document number, I am going to /o ME21N. I am going to create a new PO with respect to the plant of 1000. From which vendor you are going to return? That vendor. How much quantity? 5 quantity I am going to return. Enter. If you come to right side of the screen item, you can see the return indicator was there. Return indicator was there. This click on returns indicator and post it. Save the PO. Now what will happen? This PO will be is catered for returns PO. This PO is catered for the returns PO. And if you give the status tab, you can see the minus values. You can see minus. Got the point? Now you need to go to mygo /n mygo. Do the GR directly. Do the goods receipt directly. What will happen if you do goods receipt, guys? System will take 161 moment type here based on the minus indicator here, returns indicator. System will take the moment type of 161 here. Okay, from 001 store location, I am returning the product to vendor back. Check and post it. Got it. Now if you check MB stock will be 0 here. Stock will be 0. Got the point, guys? When you will use the scenarios and all.
Yes, Ram.
Yeah. Any doubts? And now you done the GR, right? Now next part what you will do, guys? Once you do GR for return PO, what you will do next? Next for this PO, once you do GR,
Next, Myra.
Myra, what you will do?
Create memo.
Create memo. Very good, guys. Create memo you'll create. Myra, create memo, not invoice. You need to create a create memo. You need to create. Got it? Create memo got created. You see? Got the point? How you should do the return PO and all. Got it, guys? Any confusion on these small concepts? Hope no doubts, right?
Clear.
Yeah. Now we will discuss on another small concept that is called One-time vendor. One-time vendor. What is one-time vendor, guys? Have we discussed this previously? One-time vendor concept. One-time vendor.
Yes, Ram.
What we discussed?
In RFQ concept, we discussed this one time.
Okay. Okay, fine. Let me explain you 5 minutes. Okay, one-time vendor role. In the vendor master, separately we have vendor account groups. Vendor account groups that is called CPD and CPDL. Vendor account groups are CPD and CPDL. These are only for one-time vendor accounts. One-time vendor accounts. Generally, sometimes we need to procure from local vendors. Sometimes we should do the RFQ process with respect to the local vendors or international vendors, whatever it may be. We are going to do the RFQ process, or we are going to do the one-time purchase. We will do. For all those things, you cannot create a vendor master in SAP. Always you need to use one-time vendor only. This one-time vendor is going to help you to, without creating vendor master, we can procure from the respective vendor, and we can even pay to the vendor also. Okay, that is useful of one-time vendor. That is the useful of one-time vendor. Okay, there you can edit the respective names and address, and also the accounting info of the vendor also we can update. You can give manually to the finance team. They will update accordingly, and they'll pay to the respective goods where we received. That is the concept of one-time vendor. Okay, and where do we have this check option? Where we need to configure. If the management asks you to create a one-time vendor account group, where you will configure, guys? They ask you to create a one-time vendor account group, where you will configure. Logistic General, go to business partner, go to vendors, control, define account groups. Define account groups. Now go to CPD, CPDL, anything is fine. CPD and CPDL, just to copy as. Now you are going to create like G1. G one-time vendor. Can you see here what is there, guys? Here one-time account. Can you see, guys, here one-time account? One-time account means what? Is that this account group is for only for one-time vendors only. This you need to use for only for one-time account vendors only. Like that, we're going to give like one-time account. I'm checking here. If you don't check here, then this is not a one-time account. This is normal account group. Always you need to check here one-time account. Then only it is a vendor one-time account. G1 is a now account group for one-time vendor account group. For the point, this is the place where you are going to configure this one-time vendor account, and you can use for the RFQ processes or else general process where you will procure the goods from the vendor as a one-time. Okay, and once you create a PO, what will happen? You send the PO copy to vendor, and once the vendor send the goods back to you, you will do GR, and vendor send the invoice to you. In the invoice only, the vendor will maintain all the accounting details and all, because in the system we don't have account details of the vendor. The vendor should send the accounting details in the invoice only, and the accounts payable team, they are going to identify the vendor account details in the invoice, and they are going to pay manually in this scenario. There is no automatic payment. There is a manual payments only will be there in these scenarios. Sorry. Any doubts on one-time vendor? I already explained you a lot of times this one. Just I explained critically.
Ram, how they'll make payment manually, Ram?
Manual payment. They need to post manual invoices, and while they're posting manual invoices, they need to enter bank details manually. Account details manually. Generally, we can see AB/O. It's not our duty, okay? It's like finance team, they will do these things. They need to keep this everything manually. they'll enter some accounting details somewhere. Okay, you can see accounting memo, something. They'll have some options to be there where they can enter manually. Account with respect to vendor, all the things they need to enter and they need to pay manually. Okay. Once they get paid, we can see the clearing document number here. The document number they will share with the vendor. This is the clearing document number. For you, we cleared the invoice like that. Okay. We not go here first of all. You don't have access to these things. Okay. Just I'm showing you.
Okay.
Yeah. And continuation of this one-time vendor, we have one more concept is called vendors subrange. Vendor subrange. What is vendor subrange, guys? Any idea of what is vendor subrange? Any idea? So many people used to confuse on this concept. Okay, don't confuse. Vendor subrange. Any idea of vendor subrange? Subrange for vendor or vendor subrange. No idea. Generally, I will call this vendor subrange as parent vendor and child vendors. I will call like parent vendor and child vendors for your understanding purpose. Parent vendors and child vendors. Guys, I have a company, Tata. Tata company was there. This Tata company, where is the head office? Head office is in India. Tata company head office is in India. Is the Tata company is available in only India? Just say Tata Motors. This Tata Motors is available in only India.
No, it's available in other countries as well.
It's available in USA, it's available in UK, it's available in Germany. Okay. Okay, it's available in Saudi also. Okay. Now, my plant. I belongs to some plant person, guys. Belongs to some plant person. Okay. You are the vendor. You are the Tata. I'm the plant person. If I am the plant person, my plant is there in Germany. My plant is in Germany. And one of my other plant is in UK. This is one plant, this other plant. Okay. Germany and this is UK. Okay. This is UK plant, this is Germany plant. I am doing manufacturing here, even UK plant also is doing manufacturing. And they require some goods also. They require some raw material. Tata Motors, they used to procure generally raw materials and all. If I want materials to Germany, from where I will procure, guys? If I want materials to Germany, I want to procure from only Tata, guys. I want to procure from only Tata here. From which Tata I will procure? From which Tata Motors I will procure the goods to my plant? In the point, guys. Tata Motors is only one vendor. Okay. My plant is in Germany and my plant is in UK. Okay. Now I want the material to be supplied to Germany. From which vendor I'll order? Whether I order from Tata India, Tata USA, Tata UK, Tata Germany, Tata Saudi.
So if vendor is having branches in those countries, then we can order from there, or else from India only we have to order, because if vendor
Okay,
is
the branch is there in here branch is there. Germany branch was there. Okay. So I'm going to order from the Germany when Tata Motors. Tata Motors Germany. Tata Germany I'm going to order. UK. From where I'll order? Tata UK will order the goods. Okay. Or else I need to order from only from India. Branch is available. Tata Germany is available. It's not required to procure from India, right? Tata UK is available. It's not required to procure from Tata India, right? Got the point? Now, I'm asking you a single question. Tata Motors is only one vendor. Just think Tata Motors is only one vendor. Just think 100. All this is the Tata Motors vendor. Tata Motor vendor number is the. How can I mention child vendors for a parent vendor? How can I link all these child vendors branches to one of the main vendor? How can I link? Because Germany means what, guys? Germany, if I'm procuring from Germany, Tata Germany, I need to pay only GBP. Sorry, I need to pay in only euros, Germany. If I'm procuring from Tata UK, I need to pay in only GBP currency. I can't pay in INR. Tata USA means I need to pay in only USD currency I need to pay. Now, for single vendor, how to maintain multiple currencies? See, Tata India will be having some different payment terms will be there. Different payment terms. Right, Tata US will be different payment terms. Tata UK will be different payment terms. We can't have same purchasing data for one of the main branch. Depends on the branches and the countries. The terms and conditions will change, right? Depends on the country. Now, how to link all these things to all these branches to one main branch of that is India? How to link, guys? By using vendor subrange. By using vendor subrange. We are activating vendor subrange, guys. We are activating vendor subrange for the main vendor so that we can maintain all tail vendors. This is the concept of vendor subrange. Now, if you go to the vendor master configuration, take any vendor account group, guys. I am taking KRED vendors. Open this vendor account group. In this, you can see vendor subrange relevant, vendor subrange relevant, and plant level relevant. Vendor subrange relevant and the plant level relevant. Okay, just activate this both, guys. If you're activating subrange, activate this both. Activate this is both. Okay, save it. If you don't activate this one, you can't have a subrange, guys. Activate this both. Save this one. Now go to vendor master. Now go to vendor master. I'm going to create a vendor now. /n xk01. I'm going to create a vendor. Okay. KRAD Tata Motors 123. Tata IN India. Save it, guys. Vendor master has been created, guys. 10064 has created. This is my vendor, guys. This is my vendor. 10064 has been created. This is my vendor, guys. This is my main vendor. This is my main vendor. Now, what I should do, guys, for this main vendor? I have branches. I have branches. Tata USA, Tata UK, Tata Germany, Tata Saudi. What I should do? I have activated subrange also. Now I can maintain multiple purchasing data for single vendor. Multiple purchasing data for single vendor by using vendor subrange. Go to here, subranges. Can you see, guys, here? Subranges. Here you can see different data you can maintain. You can maintain a different data. Okay. Do you want to create the different data? Sister is asking, guys, do you want to create the different data? Yes. Vendor subrange. Now I want to create for vendor USA, Tata USA, Tata TM USA. Okay, description for USA Tata. Okay. You can give the plant of Tata also. You can give what all plants are located in USA, which are going to you're going to supply. You can give. Okay. Purchasing data I want to add. Okay. Now add USA. Can I see subrange Tata USA USD? Payment terms I can give different payment terms also I can give. not payment, same payment terms. I can have different data I can create here. I can have different data I can create. Tata USA, save it. Now, again go there, different data. Now, purchasing, create. Now, vendor subject, Tata, TA, UK, purchasing data, enter, description, enter. GBP. I can have different terms of payment here also. Save it. Okay. Now, what different countries are there? Saudi Arabia, whatever it may be. 10 countries means all maintain 10, no issue. Now, if you want to see subranges what and all there, just go to purchasing view, click on the subranges. Click on the subranges. Can you see what and all there, guys? Tata UK, Tata USA. There are two subranges are there, Tata UK and Tata USA. Okay. And main is India, INR India. And how do you procure? While procuring, how do you maintain that? Okay, see, while creating PO, you'll create for only for this one, guys. Okay, if I'm creating a PO /YME21N, I'm going to create a PO for this vendor. Okay, I'm going to create a PO for this vendor. If I'm creating a PO for this vendor, system is taking INR automatically. Guys, system is taking INR automatically. But I want to procure to my USA country. I want to procure to my USA country. Why system is taking INR here? Always you need to activate subrange, guys, here. In the PO also you need to activate subrange here. The delivery tab, if you go here, sorry. In the material data, if you go here, we have vendor subrange option was there here. Vendor subrange option was there here. Now go to subranges here. Give one of subrange, Tata UK. I'm giving Tata UK. Enter subrange. Can you see, guys, what is there here? GAP. Give Tata USA. What will becomes here? Tata USA, it will be there. USD. Got the point, guys? This is the way where you can procure from different vendors, different vendors branches from main vendor. Okay, the vendor number will be same, but different currency, different payment terms will be different things will be there. Will be based on the vendor sub range. This is the concept of sub range, guys. Got the point, guys?
Ram, and this payment will go to main vendor or sub vendor only?
I will tell you that concept is still pending. I will tell you.
Okay.
Okay. Partner continuation of this one more concept was there, that is called partner functions, vendor partner functions. In that you will understand how payment will be gone, all those things. In this one, any queries, any questions on this one? Any queries?
No, Ram, it's clear.
Now, do you have any patience to listen, or else it's heavy for you? Guys, is it heavy for you for today, or it's like okay?
Any other small concept means okay, Ram. If any big concept, then it will be
Small only, but not much small, but small only. One concept was there. That is called vendor partner functions. Vendor partner functions. Okay. Small concept only. Today all small concepts only I'm teaching. Now once I complete this class, there are no small concepts. I have completed all small concepts I completed. in the business process. Okay, there are some other process are there. I should discuss all those. What a TR, all those things I should discuss. One day, one class I will take. Vendor partner functions. Vendor partner functions. These are one of the main concepts, guys. Small only, but some tricky concepts. Okay, vendor subrange and vendor partner functions and all. Okay, guys, just tell me if you order anything from Amazon. If you order anything from Amazon, will the Amazon guy will deliver the goods to the plant, or different guy will deliver the goods to the plant? If you order anything from Amazon, just think a phone you ordered from Amazon. The Amazon guy directly will deliver the goods to your plant, or else some other person will deliver the goods to your home.
Some other person.
Who is some other person? That is some third-party person who is taking the distribution ship from the Amazon. That person is going to deliver the goods to your plant, your home. Okay. Now that option will be there. See, directly Amazon person also can deliver to your home, and also the distributor also can deliver the goods to your home. Okay. And once you order in the real time, guys, if you take any manufacturing companies, guys, take any manufacturing companies. That manufacturing company location, just think my manufacturing company was Tata Steel. Tata Steel is a manufacturing company. Okay, where I will supply the steel products and all. Okay. Once I place order to the company, okay. Now the order will go to respect to Tata Steel. The order will go to means VN, vendor number. Okay, means what? Let's think this is the vendor number 10064 is the vendor. This order will go to this number because it's the main vendor, right? This is the Tata main vendor. This order is going to this vendor VN. Once the order goes to this vendor will see this person will see the order. Okay, and he will agrees. Okay, and now he will send this order to manufacturer, right? He will send this order. This order was order. PO means order. This order is having 1000 kg of steel or something. Okay, 1000 tons. Take 1000 tons of steel. Okay, order was 1000 tons. Now what this guy will do? Who will take? Who is the person preparing this steel things and all? Manufacturer, right? Tata Steel only. There is a manufacturing unit will be there, right? Tata Steel only. Manufacturing unit will be there. This guy, this is indicating that manufacturer MN, my manufacturer, Tata manufacturer. Okay, Tata manufacturer. He will manufacture as per the order. He will do manufacturing with respect to your order, right? He will do the manufacturing with respect to order. Okay, and now in this scenario, VN is 1/364, guys. 1/0364. This 1/364 is for Tata Steel or Tata India, Tata UK, or Tata US, or Tata Germany. Which one this one is, guys? I mentioned only 1/364, guys. But to whom exactly this should go? To whom exactly this should go? I'm ordering from Tata India, Tata Steel India. I'm ordering. To whom? Tata UK. Just take Tata UK. I'm ordering. To whom it should go now? It should go to Tata UK, right? Tata UK means
Yes.
what? The ordering address OA, ordering address 100,364. I should define ordering address where I am ordering, from where I am ordering. Okay, UK or USA or Germany, from which ordering address I am ordering the goods. Tata UK ordering address, Tata UK, Tata USA one ordering address, Tata Germany one ordering address. Like that, I am going to keep ordering addresses. Okay, and once I send the order to him, Once I send the order to him, this order, based on this order, manufacturer is going to prepare the goods. Manufacturer number I am mentioning, like, just take example, guys. Manufacturer number I am like 100365. This is 100366. They will take this and 366. I will take this one. Okay. This is the ordering address number and the manufacturer number. Okay. Now, once he prepared the goods, once the manufacturer prepared the goods, who is going to deliver the goods to the plant? Who is the person is going to deliver the goods to your plant? Who is the person, guys? That person is goods supplier. Goods supplier. We are going to define this goods supplier as 100367. 367. Okay. And what on all goods you procured, you have to pay to the vendor, right? To which vendor you will pay? Invoice party. You will pay to the invoice party of Tata Motors. It will be 100364 or else 100365, because the ordering address vendor is Tata UK. You are going to Tata UK, right? You are paying to Tata UK. Then it will be invoicing party will be same as ordering address. In case the 103634 is for India, guys. This is for India vendor. If India vendor you are going to order, plant is also in India only, then ordering address will be 100364 only. Okay. Manufacturer will be different because the manufacturing unit also will, somewhere it will be there. And goods supplier also it will be 100364, because Tata Steel only is going to deliver the goods to plant. Invoice party also it will be 100364 only. Got the point? This is the way we are going to define in the vendor master. Who is the, if you order from UK, who is the manufacturer, who is the goods supplier, who is the ordering address, who is the invoicing party. If you order from Germany, in Germany, who is the manufacturer, who is the goods supplier, who is the ordering address, who is the invoicing party. Like this, we are going to identify with respect to this country, this person is going to be delivered. Okay, like that we are going to maintain, we are going to configure in SAP, that is called vendor partner functions. Each and every role of partner. MM means he will do only manufacturing. GS means he will do only goods supply. Invoicing party means only will receive the amount. Like that we are going to define the partner functions. Each partner will be having one function will be there. Partner functions. Understood the concept, guys? Understood the concept?
Yes, Ram.
Yeah. Now we'll go practically and we'll see how to configure these vendor partner functions. Vendor partner functions. Go to OLME directly, guys. Go to OLME. By this time you should know the shortcuts, guys. You should know the T codes and all. OLME will go. There go to partner determination. See here, guys, here. Partner determination. Go here. Here go to define partner roles, guys. First thing is like partner roles here. Partner roles. I am going to define a partner roles here. Define partner roles. Define partner roles here. What all partner roles I have, guys? I have partner roles like VN, MN, GS, and IV. I have these 4 partner roles. I have 5 partner roles. I have 5 partner roles. VN, OA, MN, GS, IV. Okay. First of all, check whether you have that partner functions here or not. Whether you have that partner functions are there or here or not. OA is there. Okay. VN is there. Okay. MN is not there. Now what I can do? Go to new entries. I'm going to create a function as MN manufacturer, and type of vendor. What is the type of vendor, guys? It's a vendor, right? Type of partner. What type of function? Function of MN. Who is this guy? He's a vendor, right? Vendor means LI. LI is a vendor. I created MN. Now check whether you have other things also like GS and IV. GS is there. IV invoice. Invoice is not there. What I will do? New entries. I'll get IV. I am creating invoicing. Invoice payer. Okay. This is also vendor only. LI. Okay. Data was saved. Got it, guys? I created a vendor partner role. Vendor roles I created. Based on this, I have to create a vendor roles here. Okay. With respect to LI. You can see what type of role you are creating. What type of role? New entries, if you go, it will ask you what type of role. Is it a vendor? Is it a customer? Is it a dealer? Is it a person? Who is the person? Like that, we are going to create a partner role, guys. Got it? First thing is like define partner roles, guys. Define partner roles. And here, next thing is like define permissible partner roles per account group. I am going to permit. I am going to permit. Okay, this roles is for this account group. This role is for this account group. Means what? I have vendor account groups, right? I am to assign the roles to vendor account groups. For which vendor account group these roles are applicable? For which account group, sir, these vendor roles are applicable? I assign the to the respective vendor account group. Check first of all. Function is VN. I am going to assign for KRED. VN KRED is there. Next, MN KRED is not there. What I will do? New entry is MN. Group is KRED. Enter. Save it. Now again. OA KRED. OA KRED is there or not? It is there. Now again. GS KRED. It is there. Now IV KRED is not there. I will do IV KRED. Any vendor account group you can say, guys. Not only this one, any vendor account group you can take. Save it. Go back. Now assign my partner roles to the vendor account group. Okay, this one setting was done. Now what I am doing exactly, guys, I am going to assign to the vendor master, right? I am going to assign to the vendor master this one. Go to XK01, guys. Go to XK01. While creating vendor for KRED, system should propose me. Go to SK03. Just show me SK03. If you go here, system should show me for this vendor what are the permissible partner functions. What are the permissible partner functions? If you go here, go partner functions, you can see nothing was there here. Means what? Germany, who is the manufacturer? For this vendor, who is the manufacturer? Who is the distributor? Who is the goods supplier? I don't know. I don't have any details here. It's very hard to find out at the time of delivery. So always you should maintain the first here. Okay, now what I will do? I am going to create for master data first of all. Just what you will do? Partner settings in vendor master record. I am going to define partner settings in the vendor master record. Before creating vendor master record partner set, these things and all, should define a partner schema, guys. Define partner schema. We're going to define a schema. In that schema, we're going to assign all the partner roles. First of all, define partner schema here. One schema I am defining new entries, and one schema I am defining like RK01 schema. RK01 schema I am defining. This is for I am taking like Tata vendors I am taking. Normally you will take for all vendors. Okay, I am taking example. I am taking Tata vendors. I am taking. Save it. Now RK01, select this one and go to partner functions in procedure. Partner function in procedure. Now go to new entries. Nothing is there here. What I should do? I am going to add a new entries here. I am going to add like OA VN GS MN IV. These are the partner roles I created, right? So I'm adding here all the partner roles. For 5 partner roles, I'm adding here. These 5 partner roles I'm adding here to my schema RK01. Let's save it. Data was saved. Now, what we should do? We want to assign this RK01 to respective document type, respective vendor account groups. Assign partner schema to vendor account groups. Can you see? Assign partner schema to vendor account groups. Execute this one. Now go to your vendor account group, KRED. I'm going to KRED, guys. In KRED, a blank is there. What I should do? I should enter RK01, RK01, and RK01. I should enter my these 3 things. My schema to respective vendor. Respective vendor, I should add these 3 things: RK01, RK01, RK01. And now save it, guys. Now save it. Okay. Now we defined for the respective vendor master, we defined. Okay. Now go to xk02, go to partner functions. Now go to partner functions here. Click on this one. Can you see what all there, guys, here? OA, invoice, MN, VN, GS. Select VN. Give the number as 10036 is my vendor. Okay. Now again, same that give OA, give GS, MN. This one it will be IV. Paste all the things here. If the vendor number is different, if the invoicing party is different, what I will do? I will mention like 1000365 I am giving. I need to create a separate master data for the main vendor. 1000365. If manufacturer is different, give other number. 366 I will give. Manufacturer is different means. Okay. Goods supplier is different. OA is different. If you have like this, you should change the vendor number here. Okay. Like I should give the vendor numbers. System will allow only these partner functions for the respective vendor account group. Got this point, guys? Any confusion? Like this, you should maintain for all the vendor subrange also. You need to maintain for the all the vendor subranges also. Go to purchasing data here. Here go to what the vendor I created subrange. I created for 10365, right? Nice. If you have any kind of extras, go to what is the vendor I created? Leave it. Like this, you are going to assign the respective vendor partner functions to the respective vendor account group. So that when you are creating a vendor master, you can assign the respective partner functions to the respective vendor master. Respective vendor. Tata means Tata vendor. What is the V and Tata the vendor V? Who is the goods supplier? Who is the invoicing party? All these things you can enter in the respective vendor master. Got it? You want any other example for this one?
So Ram, I have a question here.
Uh-huh.
So what is the use of maintaining all these partner, meaning partner functions in this vendor master? Because so anyways we are giving a payment to ordering address, ordering vendor only, right?
It depends, right? See, ordering address, you have only one vendor. Okay. Suppose in the previous example, I told Tata Steel, Tata UK, Tata GVP, I told right, Tata Germany and all. If you are
Yeah.
ordering from Tata Germany, if you are ordering from Tata Germany, to which who is the good supplier in that case? Who is
Yeah.
the good supplier in Tata Germany?
Uh, Tata Germany, the German vendor only.
Then you should differentiate, right, first of all in the vendor master. This is a Tata Germany vendor. This person is going to supply the goods to this one. We are going to define right in the vendor master.
Okay. But
Getting the
it is
point?
the payment part, right?
See, why you are maintaining different purchasing data? Why you are maintaining different purchasing data for the vendor master?
Because that particular purchasing, what is the particular details are related to that particular vendor.
Yeah. Okay. That is the reason we are maintaining the purchasing data. Okay. For this vendor, who is the good supplier? Who is the good supplier? Who is the invoicing party? And who is the manufacturer? For this one, how to know? How do you know? Will you call the vendor and you will ask who is the good supplier like that?
No, it's not possible.
You should have the vendor master record here. Like this is my manufacturer, this is the invoicing party like that. Same like this, you can have different vendor, different sub-branch. Sub-branch you have. Okay, different sub-branch is there for UK. You have different sub-branch is there. Now for that vendor, who is the ordering address? Who is the good supplier? How to know? You should have a sub-branch.
Okay, is there requirement to know who is the supplier? Is there requirement like that in business?
Yes, they should know, right? Because another we are paying right to the vendor. To whom will pay? Getting the
They'll-
point? To whom you are sending the PO copy? Are you sending to UK? Are you sending to USA? Are you sending to India? To whom you are sending? Ordering address you are sending, right? The point. And
Correct.
different data. Different data, yes. For India vendor, I want to have a different data. Sub-branch is India or else USA. USA, Tata. Now what I'm doing, I'm giving the respective plant if you want, or else give the purchasing data and partner functions data also. Both you are giving because you may have USA different partner function also will be there. Okay, different currency, then different partners will be different person is there right there. So you need to give the respective person IDs will be there. Vendor master. INR you give, just keep on enter. You should give different ordering address, different goods supplied like this in the respective partner functions. But the point.
Okay. And also my question right now, here invoice payer or supplier can be different vendor, right?
Yes.
So how this payment will get divided, Ram, in this? When supplier
Now, for
vendor.
only for the invoice, you are going to create a vendor master now. Only for IV part, only for IV part, you are going to create a vendor master.
Correct.
One more vendor master, if you go to /o FK01, FK01 if you go, /o FK01, so /n FK01 if you go, there we can see vendor, create a vendor here, Tata Steel, IN. Enter your all account details here. Enter your bank account key, all these things here. Bank account details and all. You can't enter purchasing data here. No purchasing data is required here. You only accounting data is required here. Only accounting data. No purchasing data here. One of the things is created, guys, here. What you will do? You have to enter IVS 100365 for Tata, this one. But the point. Okay. OA, ordering address. Generally, it will be same as VN only. Or else it will be different, means you need to set different one. You need to create ordering address in MK01 / MK01 only for the purchasing. Just enter the purchasing details of the vendor. Tata USA. Tata USA. You see, only purchasing data. There is no accounting data is required here. Only purchasing data. USA, save it.